Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight tickets online in Malaysia Airlines. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Malaysia Airlines. Okay, so just simply type out Malaysia Airlines. That's right, and you'll be able to see this website. So make sure to click on this one. Okay, and then after that, right here, before you can book a flight or before booking a flight, of course, you have to sign up or sign in to your account. So just simply click on this option right here at the top right. Okay, so here you can log in or sign up with the Enrich. We have Image Explorer. We also have Enrich Biz Connect and Image Corporate. Okay, so you just have to select any of this and then we have to sign up. Okay, so for example, let's try the first one. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then right here you have to put your information. So you can log in with your preferred account. So we have Google and Apple, or you can log in with your email address. Then just type out your password right here. So assuming that we already created our account, now let's go back here on the Malaysia Airlines booking page. So right here, as you can see, we have the book a flight option at the top. We have here my booking, we have MH upgrade, we have here checked in, the flight status, and our flight schedule. Now let's just focus on the book a flight option. Okay, so right here we have book a flight, we have multi-city, we have redeem flight, and bonus side trip. So for this one, I'm just going to select book a flight. Okay, and then after that you have to select which country or city that you are flying from. Okay, so right here just type out your city. Okay, then after that you have to select here the country that you are flying to. So for example, this location. That's right, and then after that right here we have our departure date. Okay, now for the departure date, you just have to select your preferred date. So for example, we are departing on September 9, 2025, and then we will be returning on September 25. That's right, and then click on done after that. Now for the passenger and cabin class, you just have to click on this option. Okay, and then how many will be traveling? Okay, so we have here adults, children, and infants. Now for the cabin class, you just have to select. We have economy, business, and business suite. Okay, so here I'm just going to select economy, and then if you have a promo code, you just have to type it out right here. Now after filling out these fields, you just have to click on find me a flight now. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so you just have to stand by and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so I think we're good to go now. Right here we'll be able to see all of the available flights for our schedule. Okay, so we have here the flight section. Okay, so we have here now as you can see, it says that there's no availability for the requested date, so you just have to select the closest available dates right here. Okay, so here as you can see, we are going to select this September 8th. Okay, and then we have here the prices. I'm just going to select this one, and after that you just have to click on continue. Okay, and then here we have the departure flight, so we just have to select our preferred choice. So we have economy, business. We also have the economy and business for this time. So all we have to do here is to select the the type of flight that we want to book. Okay, before that, of course, you have to check the flight details first. So click on the flight details. Okay, and then you have here now your flight details. So here, the departures, the departure would be on Monday, September 8th, 2025, and you will arrive on Thursday or September 11th, 2025. So the total duration for this flight is about 44 hours and 55 minutes. And then now for the flight details, we have here the itinerary. Okay, so we have one stop in Hamad International, so that would be 10 hours. And then here we have one stop in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and that's 8 hours and 15 minutes. Now, if you are good to go with this booking, so just have to close it and then select the seat type. Okay, I'm just going to select the economy. After that, just click on confirm. Okay, now for the next step, we have here now the return date. So we have to select our return date. So we only have this option. So I'm just going to select economy for this one and then click on confirm after that. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. And then right here, we have to add the details of the passenger. Okay, so it includes the personal information. We have here the advance information and then the passport details, and of course the contact information. So you have to make sure to fill the name and personal information as shown in your passport. Okay, so we have here the personal information. You have to choose your title, type out your first and middle name. Here, this section, you have to type out your middle name, and then for your last name or surname right here, and then the date of your birth. Okay, now if you're frequent flyer cards, if you have that, so you can also select your frequent flyer program right here. And then for the advanced information, so you can provide advanced information about your travel document. However, you will be able to fill these information later via manage my booking section. Okay, and then after that, right here, you have the total price, you have your trip summary, and then you have here details, baggage policy, and you can review the conditions. And after that, you just have to click on select services. And the next step that you are going to fill out is the extra service, and then the last one is the payment. Now in the payment section, you just have to add your card and then fill out all of the required fields so you can book this flight. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.